Then good day. Today I tell you about the discriminant. What is discriminant and nature of the roots? Student discriminant this if quadratic equation a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the value b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant of the quadratic equation and denoted by d equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay student, the by seeing the discriminant can we define the nature of the quadratic equation. If d equal to b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant greater than 0, then the equation has real and distinct root. This means that if d greater than 0, then value of alpha and beta of the quadratic equation, that means zeros of quadratic equation, will be real and distinct. Both alpha and beta both are distinct. Okay student, if d equal to b square minus 4ac, that means my discriminant equal 0, b square minus 4ac equal 0, then the equation has real and equal roots. This means that d is equal to 0, then the alpha and beta will be real and equal. Alpha and beta will be real and equal. Both roots are equal. Okay student, real and equal. Third, if d equal to b square minus 4ac greater than 0, less than zeros, then the equation has not real roots. This means d is less than 0, that means d will be negative. If d will be negative, then we say that alpha and beta not be real, that means will be less than 0. Okay student, this is the method of finding the nature of the given quadratic equation. What is the roots will be real or imaginary or equal. Okay student. Okay, now I will request it to all of you, please share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new notification of my video. Okay, thank you.